Hello friends and welcome back. In today's session, we will be learning how to create a data drop-down list in Excel. Now, let us consider a scenario wherein I have a list of students and I need to map their class against them. So how can we do that? A simple way to do that is by manually typing the class over here. Suppose I type class 1, class 2, class 3 and so on. Now, this is very easy if the data set is very small. But if a data set is very large, then it might be very difficult for me to enter them manually. Or we might have a scenario wherein a different user might enter the data differently. For example, class 1 can be written as class space 1 or it can be written as 1. So there is no standard format that is being followed. Now, in order to create that standardization, we have this option to create data drop down list. How we can do that? We'll just see. So I have this data set over here in which we have the classes from classes 1 to 10. Now I need to create a drop down list which has these particular items. So let us see how we can do that. I will just go to data tab. Next to text to columns, I have the option data validation. So I'll just click on data validation. This pop-up comes up. Now we have a list over here. In this option, we will select list because I want the data to appear in the form of a list. Then it asks me for the source. Source is this data from class 1 to 10. This basically is the items that you want to see in your drop down. Now we also have the option of error alert. Error alert simply is the error that should pop up when you make a mistake in the drop down. I am just giving it a name. Please enter correct data. I'll just press OK. In this, what happened was I have not selected the area wherein I need the data filters. So I'll just come out, select this data, select the cells wherein I want to create that drop down. I'll just go to data validation again. This option I'll select list. Source will be these particular cells. Error alert, I want to give this as error alert. Please enter correct data. I'll press OK. Now, when I pressed OK, what happened was a drop down came up in these cells. Now, let us see what we can do over here. See, all the classes are appearing in this drop down. This will help to create a standardization when you select any item in the filter. Suppose class 1. Now, if you try writing CLS1, this will not allow. It asks you to please enter correct data. So this is how we can create a standardization. For this, we select class 4, class 4, class 5. So anything. Now, if I try to write something, can I do it manually over here in the filter? Class 1. Since class 1 is exactly written in the same manner in which it was appearing in column O, this will allow. But if I change it a bit, then it will not allow. Let's suppose for the options down below, I don't need that data validation. So you can just avoid it. And if you try to edit this, you will not be able to edit this. Suppose I want to just change something over here. This is not possible until and unless you change your data list. you can always try and copy and paste data over here. It will allow you. When you do this, the filter will be removed. You see, I copied this cell and pasted it over here. Now data is removed from there. So this was quite simple. Hope you like this video. For more related content, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.